Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore deleted files in Google Drive with version history, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Drive on your computer. Locate the folder where the deleted file was originally saved. Right-click on the folder. Select Manage Versions from the drop-down menu. A new window will open, showing the version history for that specific folder. Look through the list of available versions. Identify the version from which you want to restore the deleted file. Click on the specific version to view its contents. If the file is present, click the three-dot menu next to it. Choose Restore this version from the options. Confirm the restoration if prompted. The file will now be available in your Google Drive. You can find it in the original folder where it was deleted. If you cannot find the file in the version history, check the Google Drive trash. Click on Trash in the left sidebar. Look for the deleted file you want to recover. If you find it, right-click on the file. Select Restore to return it to your Google Drive. The restored file will be back in its original location. Make sure to check if the file was restored successfully. You can now access and edit the file as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.